welcome back to Loki Tutorials official YouTube channel. Today we are here at GNLU. आज हम देखेंगे GNLU का कैंपस कैसा है. Let us interact with some kids and placements तो आपको पता ही है. Come follow along with the journey. So we've already seen the campus. Now let us discuss कि GNLU में रहना कैसे होता है. How is everything in GNLU? For that we have Jhalak with us. Hello Jhalak.
Hi.
It's such a great pleasure to meet you finally. And how is life at GNLU?
I feel like after a point of time I've really started enjoying my life at GNLU because of the people around there. It's a very small group of people,
yes,
and there's a very set schedule of everyone. So I really started enjoying it here. The first year was really hard, but after that I started enjoying.
So maybe was it because of the accommodating nature, because you're from Delhi, right?
Yeah.
So Delhi and Gujarat, and then getting used to the different stuff. But we do have people all over India, right?
I mean, yeah, the culture here is very expansive because there are a lot of people from different cultures, different backgrounds. So that's why coming from Delhi, it was really hard adjusting for me because Gandhinagar is like a very little city,
yes,
compared to Delhi.
I get that point now, but pollution free.
Pollution.
At least you
okay.
can breathe.
I can breathe in Delhi personally.
So, what are your day-to-day plans? Like, what do you do? How are your classes being done?
Okay, so I'll tell you my basic schedule. I wake up around 8, have breakfast. Our classes are 9 to 2 for the second years. It's a very school-like system, very easy going. So 9 to 2 we have our classes, we have our lunch, and then people usually go to the library to study, or they just rest in their room. We take a little rest, and then we start our sports, gymming, all of, I love the sporting facilities here. Some of them at least. So at least the sport I play. So I love the facilities. I go there, play, come back, have snacks, do everything, and then dinner, study a little more. And then people usually, so one thing about GNLU people, they love taking walks because it's such a huge campus, very airy. So
it is beautifully done, and there are particular walk areas. Like if I could and if I want to, there's enough space for me to just roam around, chill, relax. I do see a lot of people busy and just commuting like to and fro. They won't even
for sure, yeah.
And how about after classes?
After classes, usually we go and rest and Netflix and chill everything.
So fun part is there, right?
Yeah, Netflix and chill and sports. And rest of us do the center or committee activities around, so that's what's going on.
Okay, so you in your second year, right?
Yes.
And you're allowed to participate in these activities.
Yeah, very easily. The GNLU culture, at least for me, is, according to me, is very inclusive. I love my seniors there. Like since day one, they've been my supporting ground. Like personally, I have a very good relationship with my seniors, so they wouldn't exclude you in anything. If you want help in something, be it sports, be it academics, the culture here regarding extracurricular activities with modes, debating, anything, it's so good, and the seniors are great.
So
Personally,
you're definitely allowed to go to moods. When I was studying, it was like second, third year maybe study. But then seniors, one point that I'll agree to, seniors are the core here. Because we are in a totally different city, they are like a family here. They help us with everything that we require, and especially in academics. You need help in academics. Mood nahi, agar भेज भी रहे हैं,
Yeah.
if you don't do it well, then it's of no point.
I
And
agree.
They definitely
Because
agree.
it's such a big shift from school to college. You're a clueless first year, away from your home. You have nothing, no knowledge, and then it's only the seniors with their experience they can tell you how things have been and how things will be. I feel like one thing GNLU really prepares you for is the real world, because the inner strength it gives you because of the happenings around and everything. It's something to talk about.
Yes, that's particularly like now the adulting phase has started.
Yeah,
There is
I
no
know.
stop to it. Now, of course, what about the different activities that keep happening in your college?
Right, so we keep having workshops.
Okay.
Be it pottery workshops, we have big shops there, and then people from our college, students can set up their own stalls, everything. Workshops keep happening, and then many events keep happening. Center related activities happen more. Like every now and then you will find something happening, some dinner happening in the big ground that we have there. Something or the other is happening, and mostly what I've seen more is that paper presentations. It's one thing that most of you will learn in college.
Yes.
They happen a lot here. So it's really a ground for a lot of opportunity.
Yes. Now I'm seeing the shift a lot. That first when we were here, we used to be like when I was in my college, we used to be more focused with academics, and it was less vocational training. Now I guess your inclination, your college's inclination is towards vocational training, right?
Yeah.
And what is your fun day at GNLU? What do you do for fun here?
For fun, okay, I'll be very honest with you, because there's not a lot to do in the city. People just chill in their rooms, and then if by chance, because of this heat, if by chance they come out, it's very hot here, by the way.
It is. It's extremely
It's
big.
extremely
Believe
hot.
me, I belong from Sun City, and I think that why are we like trolling
Yeah.
my city as
True,
Sun
it's
City
like-
weather?
It's 50 degrees out here, so
Yes.
people barely come out. But sham mein, people come out, chill around the campus, and then there's this nearby hangout spot, which is Chai Ji for all of us. So we go there, and then people go to Ahmedabad. It's just a 20-minute drive.
Yes.
So we go for movies, hangouts,
So
short
it's not just academics, but you're
No.
having a lot of fun also.
a lot of fun, because we get a lot of time to have fun. That's what I love about GNLU. 2 PM तुम्हारी क्लासेस खत्म, क्या करोगे, क्या करने का है तुम्हारे पास, जाओ जो करना है करो. So that's why people are able to focus both on academics as well as
Yes,
other.
people do have other hobbies that they like to pursue, be it writing or be it like filmmaking, vlogging. So I really appreciate that they actually give you time. आप personal life भी enjoy कर सकते हो, और आपका academics of course
Yeah.
अलग कोई रहा है. That's the right amount of studies that you're required to do. And apart from that, what is one thing that you'll say is the best about GNLU?
Personally for me, because I'm a person like that, I'm not sure that other people will agree, but I love the people as well as the campus. Like the campus is pretty good.
Yes, of course, that's a great thing. I'll agree with it, because you have to live here, you have to be
Yeah.
with. If they're uplifting, you're like, ठीक है, चल जाएगा, सब कुछ बढ़िया होगा.
हाँ.
So you'll be okay with it. So what are your takes on placements? Because when even you were in your first year, you'd be thinking कि placements कैसा होगा. तो आपका क्या experience है 2 साल में placement wise?
Yeah, so first year के बच्चे placement की तो बहुत चुल होती है हमको. But let me just acknowledge the whole fact that the placement in GNLU is really nice from what I've heard so far and what I've seen with my seniors. Of course, people apart from litigation and judiciary and other people who want to do it abroad, LLM, जो corporate का है. So I feel like top 5 NLUs are very corporate based, very
Yes,
corporate inclined.
definitely.
तो corporate का जो placement है, I've seen around that it's very well. It's going actually really well. day 0, day 1 ये सब होता है. It's a really good system here.
With a placement cell, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Ahmedabad does have a lot of good law firms here itself. So definitely placements ka to
And
acha
Gift
scene hai.
City is also here now. So a
Yes.
lot of job opportunities there as well.
So thank you so much for being
Thank
with
you.
us. So that is it from GNLU. What college should we cover next? Comment down below.